Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in this video, I'll show you on how to crop your video or how you can use crop tool in Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure import your video in the timeline. And for that, I'm going to use this particular video. Click on the video right here, right click on it. Then having right click on the video, I'll go ahead and click on add to timeline at playhead. So click on that and it's going to automatically add your video into the timeline right here. Now this particular video right here, we might decide to crop some part of the video. And how do you do that? There are so many ways by which you can crop a video in Camtasia video editing software. One of the first easy way is to come to the top right there, click on this particular icon right here, which stands for crop tool. So what we want to do right here is to go ahead and click on crop icon. So once you click on crop icon, you can see there is a sign of cropping area in our clip right here. We can drag and adjust the video based on the area we would like to crop. So everything depends on what exactly we want to achieve. Then we can use our playhead to play the video and see which area was actually cropped. So we can go on and crop more. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve as far as your video is concerned in Camtasia video editing software. So you can go on and play all along the video. So once you are satisfied with the crop, come to the top right here and make sure you click on your edit to tab right there and you have the video being cropped successful in your Camtasia video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.